we're talking about non-streamlined agreements. When you talk to somebody at the IRS, they're going to say, hey, you owe 70,000, give me 20,000 today and we'll set you up on an agreement. We can't do it. No, they're lying to you. They could do this. If your client cannot pay things, they have the right to work with the IRS. So review your taxpayer bill of rights. So in these kind of cases, if they owe over $50,000, and I'm just going to group everybody together because if it's over $50,000, it's over $50,000. Basically, what you're going to have to do is come up with a financial statement. However, there is a way, if it's between 50 and 250, you can do a non-streamlined installment agreement. That's correct. I'm sorry to hear. And as long as you're able to have it paid off within the life of the CSED, you will be able to request an installment agreement with very little financial backup documentation. They probably will not ask you for the 433, unless, of course, your case has already been assigned to the field, like a revenue officer. Unfortunately, revenue officers do have to go through financial disclosure before they can just grant you this kind of installment agreement, but they will grant it for you. In this case here, the agreement must be full paid by the by the CSED date.